The Mischievous Sheep Lambie. In a green meadow, there lived a mischievous sheep lamb named Lambie. He loved playing tricks on his friends and causing trouble for the shepherd. One day, the shepherd warned Lambie, "Misbehaving is not good and it can lead to trouble." But Lambie didn't listen and continued with his pranks. One afternoon, while playing near a steep hill, Lambie accidentally slipped and found himself in a dangerous situation. He cried for help, and the other sheep rushed to save him. From that day on, Lambie realized the consequences of his mischief and became a well-behaved sheep. He learned that playing pranks wasn't worth risking his safety or hurting others. The moral of the story is mischievous actions can lead to trouble, and being kind and well-behaved is important for everyone's well-being.